Hi guys, thank you for always staying with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a bunny flower hat like this, and it's very cute. If you attach it to your bunny, you can use it for the headband or another product if you like it. It's very cute if you attach it like this. It is small flower and it's very cute if you attach it to your product. Without wasting your time, let us start it. I use small fly yarn like this, and then I use for size with silver hook like this, and I need needle, also sizer. Let us start it. Grab your yarn and your hook, and then make a 13 chain. First you need to make slip knot like this, and then make 13 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, this is the first stitch here, and this is the second. Make a half double crochet in the second stitch here. Okay, this is the half double crochet in the first stitch. Move to the next stitch, make slip stitch here. Okay, and then make 3 chain. 1 2 3. Make half double crochet in the same stitch with the 3 chain before. Okay, move to the next, make slip stitch. Now make 3 chain. 1 2 3. Make half double crochet in the same stitch here, and then move to the next, make slip stitch. Just repeat it the same pattern to the whole stitch. So for all, you should have 11 petals here. Okay, here in the last stitch, add 1 slip stitch and then cut the remaining yarn here. So I will cut here. I will cut this and then pull your yarn here. You should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 petals here. So now hold it like this This one, from here, from the first one, fold it, make it like this. Okay, make like this.
This is the result of small flower per bunny head, and you can use pin to put it or assign it in the bunny head, and then use hot glue to attach it to the bunny head.
I need 3 flower like this here, and then I will put it needle and sign it like this. After I sign it like this, I will use hot glue to attach it in the bunny head like this. So this is the look of my bunny, and I will put it hot glue here. I will take this first, and then I make a glue to here, to the back of this flower, and put it here. Now I move to the next flower. Put it here and go to the next flower. This one. So this is the look of my bunny after I put it hot glue. So I hope this tutorial useful for you. If you like it, just click comment below and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.